Welcome to the official world premiere of Pimoroni's exciting new robotics platform, Yukon. Powered by the Raspberry Pi Pico's RP2040 SoC, this modular robotics platform could quickly become one of the best RP2040 boards around. To give you a better idea of what this board has to offer, let's take a closer look. Yukon features 6 connection points with interchangeable add-on boards. These boards can be connected using header pins and then screwed down to minimize any vibrations during a robot battle. In the center of the board sits the RP2040 SoC, the same one found in the Raspberry Pi Pico and Pico W. It's important to note that there are no built-in Wi-Fi chips though, so any wireless networking must be added through one of the accessory boards. Known modules available for the Yukon platform include quad servo, direct and regulated, motor and encoder controllers, audio amp, LED stripe, dual switched power output and a bench power step-down DAC. And for those with more ambitious projects, blank prototype boards are provided for custom components. Powering the Yukon is USB-C, which offers both data and power in a robust and reliable connection. The XT60 power connector is also a nice addition for powering larger robotics projects. So when can you expect the Yukon on the market and how much will it cost? Unfortunately, we don't have these details just yet. Yet we can confidently expect it at some point in the near future. In the meantime, stay tuned for our upcoming review once the Yukon hits the shelves. Thanks for tuning in.